Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to uninstall Microsoft OneNote. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The process depends on whether OneNote is installed as a standalone app or as part of Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365. If OneNote is installed separately, go ahead and open up your settings. Then go to Apps, and then select Installed Apps. Use the search bar to find OneNote. Once appears, click on three dots and choose Uninstall. Confirm the prompts and Windows will remove the app. If OneNote is part of Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365, open Control Panel on your PC and then go to Programs, and Features. Find your Microsoft Office installation, select it, and click Change. In the Setup window, choose Add or Remove Features. Locate OneNote in the list and set it to Not Available. Continue through the prompts and Office will remove OneNote while keeping apps like Word and Excel installed. Or find Microsoft OneNote in the list, simply right-click on it and select the Uninstall option. After that, a confirmation prompt may appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the application. Keep in mind that uninstalling OneNote does not delete notebooks stored in your Microsoft account. Your sync notes will still be available if you sign in again later. And that's it. So that's basically how you can uninstall Microsoft OneNote. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.